Let's be real. Everyone's talking about making money online these days. But what if you could actually do it from home, with no fancy equipment, no upfront investment, and without even showing your face? Thanks to AI tools, that's no longer just a dream. It's real, and it's happening right now. People just like you are using free and low-cost AI software to earn $50, $100, even $200 a day, all from their laptops or phones. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 powerful AI tools and show you exactly how you can use them to earn $100 a day from home, step by step. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or dreaming of ditching the 9-to-5, this guide is for you. 1. ChatGPT, freelance writing, script writing, and more. First up, ChatGPT, your AI sidekick. Most people think you need to be a pro writer to make money creating content, but that's not true anymore. With ChatGPT, you can generate blog posts, video scripts, product reviews, and email copy in just minutes. Here's how you turn this into cash. Head to freelancing platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even People Per Hour. Create a simple gig offering SEO blog posts, YouTube video scripts, or product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to quickly draft content for your clients. Let's say you charge $25 per blog post or $30 per script. That means just 4 clients a day equals $100. Even if you're starting from scratch, you can build a small portfolio using AI-written samples and offer discounts to your first few clients for reviews. It snowballs from there. Pro tip, use plugins like Grammarly or Hemingway app to polish the output and make it stand out. 2. Canva plus AI for digital products. Next up, Canva. This design tool has leveled up with AI features like Magic Write, background remover, and auto layouts. And guess what? You can use it to create and sell digital products. Here's what people are doing. Using Canva to make printable planners, journals, wall art, resume templates, and more. Selling those files on marketplaces like Etsy, Gumroad, or Payhip. Example, create a 30-day habit tracker using Canva's templates. Use ChatGPT to write quotes or descriptions. Sell it as a downloadable PDF for $10. Sell it 10 times a day equals $100. Now imagine scaling that with 10 different products in your shop, all selling passively. Hot niches include budgeting and finance, self-care and wellness, teachers and homeschooling, wedding planners. And the best part, once you design it once, you can sell it forever. 3. Pictory, AI video creation for faceless channels. Faceless YouTube channels are exploding right now, and tools like Pictory make it ridiculously easy to get started. Here's the strategy. Use ChatGPT to write a script about a trending niche like finance, self-improvement, or tech. Upload the script into Pictory and let it create a full video with stock clips, background music, and even voiceover. Upload it to YouTube and start growing your channel. Once your channel is monetized, you'll earn from YouTube ads. But even before that, you can make money by promoting affiliate products in your video descriptions. Graph, make a video called Top 5 AI Tools for Students. Mention tools with affiliate links. If just 5 people click and buy a $20 product, and you earn a 20% commission, that's $20 in one day. Keep adding videos and the income multiplies. 4. Midjourney or Leonardo.ai. AI art for Etsy and print on demand. Got an eye for visuals? AI art tools like Midjourney or Leonardo.ai let you create jaw-dropping art in minutes. And yes, you can make real money with it. Here's how. Use prompts to generate art like fantasy characters, minimalist posters, anime-style pets, or even motivational quotes on scenic backgrounds. Sell those artworks on Etsy as digital downloads or on platforms like Redbubble, Zazzle, or Printful as t-shirts, mugs, and more. Let's say you create an AI-designed cat astronaut poster. Upload it to Etsy for $15. If you sell 7 a day, that's $105, and you only designed it once. Bonus tip, use Canva to add text or customize your AI art for a more polished, unique look. 5. AI-powered blogs and newsletters. Last but not least, long-term gold, creating your own blog or newsletter. Yes, it takes time to grow, but once it's running, it becomes an income machine. Here's the process. Pick a niche. Parenting, productivity, finance, health, travel, you name it. Use ChatGPT to generate article ideas, outlines, and full blog posts. Set up a free blog with WordPress, Ghost, or Medium. Monetize through affiliate links, digital product sales, or sponsored content. You can also launch a free newsletter using Beehive or Substack, then charge for premium content once your list grows. Let's say you promote a $50 digital course in your newsletter and 2 people buy daily. That's $100. This method builds real authority and consistent passive income over time. So, to recap, you don't need to be a genius, tech wizard, or influencer to make money online anymore. You just need the right AI tools, a little creativity, and the drive to take action. Whether it's freelancing, creating digital products, making YouTube videos, selling AI art, or building a blog, the tools are literally at your fingertips. If you're serious about making money online from home, there's no better time to start than right now. So, pick one method, go all in, and don't stop until you hit your first $100 day. Comment below which tool or method you're most excited to try. Like this video if you got value from it. Subscribe for more AI money-making guides. And share this with a friend who needs a new side hustle. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.